Today we will show you the photo embroidery function, which allows you to embroider pictures using the control panel. To find out if you have that function, press here. If you see Photo EMB authorized, the function is available. You can take a USB and plug it straight into your machine without any additional software. Press the USB button to open the files. Find the image that you want to import, and then select on that image. Press the flower button. Choose black and white or color. Then hit Next. The image will appear with options to change size or to sharpen. Hit Next. This screen will show you the position the file will be saved. The file is now saved onto the machine, and you can remove the USB if needed. You can see the image is saved to your machine. Now you can select your picture and press Next. Here you can change the direction, angle, scale, etc. Hit Next. The next screen will show you the colors that will be used by the machine. We recommend using yellow, red, blue, and black for this type of work. Press Next. Confirm embroidery. You're ready to start the job.